Welcome to third video of this interview playlist. How to store a table in a particular drive or a specific location. Here is a complete step-by-step answer to this important interview question. I made this video very simple, straight and to the point. Please don't forget to like this video and support me. Let's get started.
How to store a table in a particular location? Very common, important item when you involve in any design projects, especially new projects. They need this kind of requirements. You wanted to store the table in a particular drive. Assume existing disk is full, you got a new drive into the disk, and you still wanted to continue creating new tables into the new drive, newly added drive in the disk. You have a hard disk with C drive, D drive. Now you got something else, E drive. How do you do that? Simple. Let's see. For this purpose, just to save time, I got my content ready. Assume, for example, you create a database with accounts file in D drive, account file group. Of course, we can create this database through user interface also, but just I wanted to minimize the number of screen navigations. Hence, I'm going with script. We are creating database with a primary file group, secondary file group. Once your database is created, now what's our requirement? Create table in a particular location. So you need to create the table on file group. See, create table name on file group name, like this. What does this file group contain? File group, accounts file group contain account file, where? In D drive. So here it is. The table goes to D drive. How do you insert? There is no special treatment for data insertions, updates, deletions. ID, balance, and account status, something like this. DML, DDL operations are same. Only add on here, during table creation, we have to mention the file group. So the table goes to accounts file. Where is accounts file? In my D drive. Go to D drive. This is the account file. My SQL Server database secondary file. This one. It stores the table data.